Thank you. Thank you very much, everybody. You must have been looking at today's stock market. Pretty good numbers. Thank you all very much.
Hi.
Mr. Japan, I have heard Japan wants to start killing sea things again. I do not like this. Maybe I should start killing your family. What do you think, Mr. Japan? I'll tell you what, Japan should be ashamed of itself having you working for them. You are a rude, terrible person. You shouldn't be working. What do you think, Mr. Japan? What do you have to say? No, sit down. You are the enemy of the people. Go ahead.
After lunch, I'm looking forward for a weekend in Florida with Donald. We will play golf together. My scores in golf is not up to the level of Donald at all, but my policy is never up, never in, always aiming for the cup, never to just go with the shortcuts and the chops. Those are the words never found in my dictionary. I'm looking forward for a weekend in Florida with Donald.
No, sit down. You are not coming. So I just want to thank the Prime Minister for being here. We're going to be meeting your wife in a very short period of time, and I look very much forward to that. To Prime Minister, what an honor. What a great honor it is. And let's go to Florida. We have agreed there will be no killing. We will save them. God bless you all. God bless America. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, fellas.
Ah.
Audio Jungle.